everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So it's my what's in my bag video time, and I am in this beautiful Dooney and Bourke Denison plum wine Ren. I've been in this bag for about a week. I love it. I think I'm gonna do this whole month of December all my exotic collection. That's what I'm gonna be using for my what's in my bags. So if you like the exotics, you're gonna enjoy this month's what's in my bag. So look how beautiful she is. She's been featured on a couple of videos already. Thank you to everyone who watched the bag of the month that I self-appointedly made. Thank you to everyone who watched it. If you haven't, please go check it out. It is the featured video here on my channel. So we're gonna jump right in. So when I change a bag, like I change into a new color, a new style, I don't just do like the bag change. I do a change of everything that I use for that week or the 2 weeks I'm in it. I like everything to match. So with this, I have a lot of purple pieces, so I changed out almost everything that I'm using for the month that I can carry in my bag or my journals and stuff like that. You'll see it. I'm going to show you. So first I want to say thank you to one of my very special subbies here on my channel. Look at what she sent me for just a gift out of the blue. It was so exciting to receive. Now she doesn't want to be named, which I'm going to respect her wishes, but she knows I love to journal, and she sent me this. I love it so much, guys. Look at this. Why is it glaring? But to know that somebody cares about you that much, that they watch you, that they know what you like, it's an honor, and I love this. I just wanted to take a couple of seconds and say thank you, sweetie. I love it. You're right. I will use this with my journal. Love it. Thank you so much. So with my bag, let me show you what I'm using for the bag. Now the pieces I'm going to show you are not all going to be used together. Of course, I'm not going to carry everything all at once, but I like to also match my coordinating pieces too. That's how I like to do it. So of course, this is the wallet I'm using. You are looking at the, I have it here, the name correctly, Denison Carrington pouch in the plum wine color to match. I did do an unboxing on this. It is in my unboxing playlist, guys. Go check it out. I will list all the playlists I say on the video, so you guys can go watch them. Of course, this is just my wallet. I love these pouches because you can put all kinds of stuff in there. I mean, it's really nice. All kinds of stuff. It carries a lot. So if you're looking for like a large wristlet that you can use as a bag if you don't want to carry a bag, these Carrington pouches, also the large wristlets that have the wristlet attachment, work really great if you just want to grab and go bag. So this is of course what I'm using with it. This will go inside. I am carrying that with me. Next I have my newest purchase in this color. This is the Saffiano leather large frame purse, plum wine again. Look how beautiful. I do carry this in the bag with me. This I'm using for something new. I have this little clear binder that I've customized with my Golden Girls and vintage jewelry, like pictures I printed. I'm using this for my savings that I've made for myself. I have 3 things I want to save for, and this works really nice. And surprisingly, this little thing, I got this off of Amazon, fits perfectly in here. Of course, these you can use as a wallet. They do have the card slots, but it worked perfectly because I don't want anyone to know I have cash in there, so nobody takes it out from the house. So it's like a little hidden compartment, and I have this cute pen that fits in there as well. So now I have that ready to go. Look how cute. So this, of course, I'm carrying with it. This is going with me daily. I had to throw, of course, my Coach pieces. This is from the Coach. It's called the Signature Canvas with Rose Print. And this one is called the Silver, Brown, and Iris collection. So it's the purples, irises. This is my journal. I am taking this with me because you never know when you're going to pop into journaling. And of course this time I did get the pencil case with it. I think from now on this is exactly how I'm going to get it. These last 3 ones I got for you that I showed you guys in my Coach playlist. I got the Santas, the one that is for Disney, and I also got the red, which I'm going to move into right after this video. I got the matching pencil case at the same time, or else they sell out. You never find it. Look how cute that is. It's beautiful, and look how beautiful. So this got a little dark for me. Like, I love these plum colors, but I did want to throw in some color. So I'm using some of my golds with it. Look, this is a gold little makeup case. I don't even remember where I got this. It is crocked. Look, it's almost like it was made for it. What am I using this for? This is my everything drawer. You see my emergency earrings, some medication, some cough drops, some fun, I love these. A little coffee, candy, hair things, all kinds of stuff. Anything that I think I might need, I like to carry. And when the bag is big like this, it can accommodate, I will carry with it. So this comes with me. Yes, it does. What else do I have here? Let me see. Now, of course, with my journal, I'm going to be throwing in this beauty that my subby sent me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you. So appreciate it. And look, that goes great with it. Okay. I'm also using this pouch. This is something I got, I want to say, if I'm not remembering wrong, I got this from Target. And I love it. I wish I had gotten the other colors. I never thought I would get so much use out of it. Of course, it's gold. It's glaring. It came with its own pen. This I'm using for my diabetes kit. And of course, I have to have a notebook in here, a pen, all my medications. I have emergency prunes in there just in case I double up on medicine and it drops too much. It has happened. That's why I've started writing it so I can monitor it. But look how cute this goes. Obviously, I won't be carrying this with me all the time. So, but it does go. Look how pretty that is already. I'll move you over so you can see. Look at that. Already, it's so beautiful. What else do I have here? I have this cuteness for my change. I got this from a dollar store. It's so beautiful. I'm getting so much use out of these. I got like 3 or 4 colors, and they are so cute. You just throw them in your bag. I mean, adorable. Look at this. Gold. Beautiful. I have my purple-ish glasses. I like it to match. Okay, you're my dog. Over there saying I have something too. Here's my purple pen. Again, that same dollar store. Look at that. Beautiful. I just love it when everything goes together, and even my Kleenex matches. How fun. I do have a purple monkey for my keys, But I wanted to throw in some of that yellow gold, so I threw in the yellow monkey. I thought it kind of picks up on the golds. And it'll be easier to find in there. Now, my extra stuff that I'm using for my bag while I'm in my bag. Okay. This is a set, Velvet Purple. It's a 3-pack. I have all 3 pieces here. This is the large one, medium, and the small. Okay. These are from the brand Sharif. I don't know if you guys remember Sharif. He was on, I'm not sure what happened. He was on HSN. He also does beautiful leather handbags. It is part of his collection, Sharif. Look how cute. So this, of course, I'm not carrying, but I like to match. So in here is my actual daily journal. All my stuff I would need to do my writing, my coloring, whatever I need to do. I like to have everything close by. I'm using this, but look, it does match, and that makes me happy. I don't know why. This is all my tech stuff. I like to have all that with me. I love the size of this. I could probably carry this if I'm gonna go for a long car ride, something. I will take this with me because the bag can accommodate. You can I switch out what I'm taking, what I'm not taking. And even this is like a little everything little pouch I made with like teas and coffee and some cough drops. I like to throw these in my tea. A little bit of sugar, you know, just in case I'm at some kind of medical office or somewhere where, you know, I can make myself tea. So that's it. That's what I have going on for my beautiful Ren. It's a lot, right? This bag can take a lot. Obviously, there's no way I'm carrying all this with me. But I just wanted to show you guys how I like to organize, how I like to use my bags. If I have the stuff to accommodate, I will switch out everything. Like my daily, my journals, you know, my everything drawer, my fun stuff. Why not? It keeps everything nice and fun for me. And if we could get a little bit of fun with just changing some stuff around in our life, why not? So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much to everyone who comes and visits me. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all my subbies. Thank you for the love, the support, the likes, the stickers. I get stickers sent to me. I love them. They go in my journals when I'm writing. So it's a nice little thing to have to go with my journal. So I appreciate everyone who sends them to me. My YouTube friends here who sent me stickers. I love them. Thank you guys. I appreciate all of you. And this is not the last one of the month. I am going to be moving in to my red croc denizen. So that's going to be next. So I'm going to be changing everything, all of this back out and go with the reds. I'm not sure what colors to go with the red because I don't want it to be traditional red and green. So I might surprise you on what accessories I use. Again, thank you all for stopping by. And if you're new here, I am Tera. Please hit that subscribe. And I will link everything on the bottom, all the playlists that I have. I wish you will go and watch. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.